Hey lovelies, Madam Sophy here again to do another wig review. This time I'm going to be reviewing an Afro Kinky wig. It's been a while since I reviewed an Afro Kinky wig. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe if you're new to the Madam Sophy channel. And to my subscribers, thank you for tuning in this time. I hope that you like this video. So this time I'm going to be reviewing this little lady right here. Her name is Curlette medium, and I have her in the color 1B. I bought this wig on sale. I can't remember when I bought it. It was one of those wigs I bought during the Black Friday sale. So I'm gonna take off. This is exactly how Miss Curlette medium looks in the packet. That's how she looks straight out of the packet. I don't really intend on opening out the curls too much because that's when it's gonna be all wild. So I'll open up a few curls, but not all of the curls. So this wig is a full cap wig. For this wig, you have a total of 3 combs. You have 2 combs at the front. So 2 combs at the front. You also have a comb at the back. And you do have your adjustable straps with this wig. This wig does have air tabs. You do get air tabs with this wig, and the air tabs does have boning with it. So there's the boning material inside of these air tabs. One more thing I forgot to make mention of this wig is inside of this wig cap, you do get a very light material. It's kind of like a stocking-like material, and I really like the fact that they put this stocking-like material in this wig because it makes it easier to adjust to your head and you have better ventilation. So let me pop this lady on. Ooh. This look is very different. I did not even take out or loosen up the curls, but I am really loving it. Kind of like kind of reminds me of this nursery rhyme, forgotten the name. But I don't intend on putting any or combing out the curls in this wig. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a few bobby pins, and I'm just going to use the bobby pins to help me style this wig. I'm just going to put a couple of bobby pins here, just that it kind of keeps it like this, because I really like the way the model is rocking this wig in the stock card. I mean, even though yes, in the model's own, her curls are a little loosened up, but again, we're not going to be loosening up any curls. I'm just gonna fluff it out like this, but I'm not going to open up the curls because it's gonna be all wilded out. Before I leave, let me give you guys a quick 360 of Miss Curlette medium. So this is how the wig lies in the front. If I were to stretch one of the curls, it would be all over here. Okay, so the curls are pretty lengthy, and I guess, like I said, you can open up these curls, but I'm not going to open up these curls because I don't want it to be too wild out for me. I kind of like the style like this. It's kind of old school, but I'm really loving it like this. So this is how Curlette is looking from the front. This is how she looks on the left. This is how she looks on the right. And this is going to be how Curlette looks at the back. Okay, so definitely, even though yes, this style is very different, this wig is indeed Sophy approved. You could rock this wig on a daily basis as long as you have some really cute earrings with this wig and some really nice accessories. This wig should look really good on you if you're into the Afro kinky hair texture wigs. So this is how it's looking. Again, it is indeed Sophy approved. Tell me if you're liking this unit. Do you think that this unit looks really good on me? This unit is definitely different from all of the Afro kinky units I've ever tried. So tell me what you think about this unit. Are you loving it or are you not loving it? Okay, so again, Miss Curlette from Outre Quick Weave. It is a full cap wig, and I am loving it in the color 1B. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe if you're new to the Madam Sophy channel. And to my subscribers, thank you for tuning in this time. I hope that you liked this video. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you. And don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.